Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Wise, TransferWise account. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone or computer is connected to a secure internet connection. Open your web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge, or open the Wise mobile app if you have it installed. If you are using a browser, type Wise, into the address bar, and press Enter. If you are using the app, tap the Wise icon to launch it. On the website, click the Login button at the top right of the page. In the app, tap Login on the first screen. Choose the login method you normally use, such as email, Google, Apple, or Facebook, if available. If you select email, enter the email address linked to your Wise account. Double-check for typing mistakes, especially dots, spaces, and @ symbols. Click Continue or Next to proceed. Wise may send a login code to your email, so open your email inbox in a new tab or your mail app. Look for an email from Wise and open it. Copy the verification code from the email, or click the secure login link if Wise provides one. Return to the Wise login screen and paste or type the code exactly as shown. If you selected Google or Apple login, choose the correct account and approve the sign-in request. If you are asked for your password, type it carefully with the correct uppercase and lowercase letters. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, approve the prompt or enter the code from your authenticator app. When Wise asks to trust this device, choose Yes only if it is your personal device. Click Confirm to complete the security step. Wait a few seconds while Wise signs you in. If you see an error, recheck your email, password, and verification code. Then try again. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions sent to your email. If you cannot find the Wise email, check your spam, junk, promotions, or updates folders. Make sure the email address you entered is the one you used when you created your Wise account. If the site does not load, refresh the page or try a different browser or mobile data connection. After logging in, you should see your Wise dashboard with your balances and recent activity. For safety, avoid logging in on public computers and always log out when you are done. If you want faster access next time, enable biometric login like Face ID or fingerprint in the Wise app settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.